got RV's parked nicely now.
Mary.
Wings under and over.
Mary.
Here we are, it's Saturday, we're at the Tokoroa Airfield. Look at all these planes. There's more planes here than we've seen in an awfully long time because they're having a sort of an Aero Club competition. All the Aero Clubs around the countryside get together and hold these competitions. And yeah, there are planes everywhere, and it's a really rough day. The wind is a crosswind. There's been some exciting passes here as the aircraft almost drag their tips on the runway. So let's see what we see on a day like today. The windsock underneath a direct crosswind today.
This is a landing one, isn't it?
Touch and go, Ron. Bit bumpy down there, boy. Woohoo! Bounced it, bounced it.
Let's just take it off.
Traffic Tango Alpha Bravo is early downwind for runway 31, touch and go, junior landing.
It's a bit hard. That was a bit bloody hard. She's a good day for filming full size here.
Go ahead, Mike Nova Sierra. Sorry, broken transmission.
Settling. Oh. That was one of the more exciting ones, Ron.
Yeah, this
Traffic uniform Foxtrot Sierra. Downwind right end for touch and go.
is 185 up.
She's bumpy, boy.
Traffic Mike Nova Sierra is turning finals runway 31, touch and go.
Ooh, pretty good there. Kick it up. Yay! Nice crosswind. Yes. Sort the man out from the woods.
Dodgy.
Traffic over Foxtrot Sierra, turning right post 31, number 2. Traffic got over right late down and 31.
Whoops. It looked really good until he got on the ground.
Today.
Same movement, was it?
It's become bitter cold right now. The wind chill is incredible. It's like mid-winter here, but it's early November, should be mid-spring.
Follow traffic general for Australia, right base 431, full stop. Tango traffic, Mike Delta Sierra is going around.
Too hard, eh?
Tango traffic, Juliet Delta 5. Uniform Foxtrot Theory, you're catching up with the 180. I recommend to go around rather than try and run it to the touchdown. Tango traffic, you're for Swift Sierra going around.
Giving up too easy.
Traffic, my God, it's low, so final, full stop runway 31.
Positively calm now, Ron.
Yeah, these days. It's over at 1.5. Whoa, look at that. See him drop, man.
Yep, got that, Ron. Going up again now.
Yeah, look at that. Was it? We went home last night. It was all parked up nice and clean and tidy.
Yeah, then I
And
come
had
this morning, I
3,000
was
something
like, swapped in for like another vehicle, and I look at it, no, fuck off the road.
Yeah, no, someone must have gone on last night and set fire to the bus.
Been a bit of an incident down here at the far end of the field. Planes rolled backwards into the drain, apparently. Look at that.
It was parked and smacked into the thing.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa, look at this.
Yeah, it's the side flip of the bus. Get it in. Too high. We thought it was too short. Way too high. Way too high. No, he's gonna land it.
It was good, actually. He did a good job.
Point on still not sure if that is. Something beating up on this tailplane, isn't it?
No, tailplane's down. I think it might have rolled back, eh, Ron?
But it didn't roll back. It went racing over there.
Is the other elevator down as well, or just that side? Oh, they look both down. That's alright. Good as new. Do a pre-flight when you get home.